Meet Sensibo, a unique device that makes any air conditioner smart, making your life comfortable. Sensibo turns off the AC when you leave home and saves up to 40% on energy consumption. With the Sensibo app, you can easily control the AC from anywhere, assuring the right temperature at the right time. Sensibo, your smart AC has arrived.
Bill Swift here for Flex Tape, the super strong waterproof tape that can instantly patch, bond, seal, and repair. Flex Tape is no ordinary tape. Its triple thick adhesive virtually welds itself to the surface, instantly stopping the toughest leaks. Leaky pipes can cause major damage, but Flex Tape grips on tight and bonds instantly. Plus, Flex Tape's powerful adhesive is so strong, it even works underwater. Now you can repair leaks in pools and spas without draining them. Flex Tape is perfect for marine, campers, and RVs. Flex Tape is super strong, and once it's on, it holds on tight. And for emergency auto repair, Flex Tape keeps its grip, even in the toughest conditions. Big storms can cause big damage, but Flex Tape comes super wide, so you can easily patch large holes. To show you the power of Flex Tape, I sawed this boat in half and repaired it with only Flex Tape. Not only does Flex Tape's powerful adhesive hold the boat together, but it creates a super strong watertight seal, so the inside is completely dry. Yeah, doggy! Just cut, peel, stick, and seal. Imagine everything you can do with the power of Flex Tape.
Introducing the Backtrack Mobile Breathalyzer, the world's first smartphone breathalyzer. The results of your estimated blood alcohol content are transmitted wirelessly via Bluetooth technology to your smartphone. Professional-grade accuracy with proprietary Extend fuel cell sensor technology provides trusted results. Estimate when your BAC will return to 0%. Saved results help you gain insight about your drinking habits. Track what you drank and where with photos, notes, and drink logs. Keep your results private, share them with your friends, or with your whole network. Backtrack, the leader in breathalyzers with over a decade of experience, presents the Backtrack Mobile Breathalyzer.
Finally, a Bluetooth scale that does more than tell your body weight. Introducing the Renpho Bluetooth Digital Scale Model ES-CS20M. Through our integrated software, you can download the Renpho Fitness app through your app store to pair seamlessly via Bluetooth. Our bright 3.5-inch LED display shows your weight, while the Renpho Fitness app shows you much more. Once paired to your smart device, you'll be able to set goals, track your progress, view your BMI, water weight, body fat percentage, bone mass, and much more. You can also create unlimited profiles for you and your family. With our 1-year warranty and top-notch customer service, you can rest assured that you've made the right choice in purchasing Renpho.
Hi, I'm Oleg, and I'm really excited to present you my new project. I wanted to learn something new about coding and build a vintage gadget. I came up with Nix C, a clock connecting old-school tube display with a modern technology. It took me a long time to learn essential background for this project and develop the best solution. I wanted to find a compromise between classic design and possibly high-end technology. You can control it with your phone to change the color, time, backlight effect or sleep mode. It is ready to go out of the box. All you need to do is to find a nice place for Nix C. Its versatility makes the clock to fit almost every interior style. It helped me to develop myself, and I would like to share it with you. Now I need your support to make it available for everyone. Thanks for watching.